Gusto ko lang na sabihin ang dalawa na pagbabago. Sa DENR, ang ipapalit doon ay si DOE Secretary Popo Rafael Lutilla. Aalisin natin siya, ililipat natin siya sa DENR. Si Secretary Loizaga naman ay magpapahinga muna at maaaring mabibigyan din siya ng isang or ibang responsableng government or cabinet position at a future time. Pero magpapahinga muna siya. Yung pangalawa ay si DSUD, Secretary Jose Rizalino Acosar. Pero siya ay gagawing Presidential Advisor for Pasig River Development or Improvement. I do not know the proper name for that, with the rank of Secretary. And we have, the President has he is going to be replaced by a former Undersecretary sa DSUD, si Engineer Jose Ramon Aliling. Secretary Loizaga, walang issue na corruption dyan. Maybe there is just a perception, I don't know how fair or unfair that perception is, na mas ma-limit siya sa labas ng bansa. Yun ang recurring na pinapadating sa amin. Ngunit wag na natin siyang husgahan, no? Whether inefficiency yan o hindi, that's not up for us to do. But the evaluation showed that it was time to have her rest muna.
So nag-underperform nga po?
Underperform siguro ang tawag dyan. Kasi kung may expectations ang presidente and you do not perform, ang messaging is underperformance is not going to be allowed. Yung kay Secretary Acosar, hindi mo rin masabing corruption yan, wala. Hindi mo rin masabing underperformance, under-delivery. Alam mo, napakataas yung nilagay niyang standard niya when he accepted the job. But you know, he is a very efficient he was very efficient in the private sector, and we expect that the President expected na makapag-deliver siya. Pero I don't know if he set the standard too high for himself dahil 1 million housing a year, housing units. There may have been obstacles in his way which were beyond his control and beyond the control of government. But to us now, because of the results of the election, it's time for the President to take him out there and bring another one who might make a better performance. Ganyan ang tingin ko dun sa kaso ni Secretary Acosar. Wala namang masamang tinapay yan si Secretary Acosar.